Okay, guys, I want to explain what this paper is that was in the resource packet that you got from the school. This is a skip counting sheet or count bys that you can make. When you take tests, you're not allowed to use a multiplication chart, but if you make your own before the test starts, or you just make your own of the particular multiplication facts that you're struggling with, you can use that. So this count by sheet, I'm going to just show you, Miss Vi made this. If you get a piece of paper, just a regular piece of paper that you get during testing, and you can make this, to use when you're doing math, and you fold it in half first, okay? And then you fold it in half again, okay? And then you fold it in half again, okay? Then you're going to have 8 sections. Now, notice that we didn't put the ones because you should know 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, so she put, and I'll explain why she did it that way, the 2's, okay, then the 3's, not the 4's here, and I'm going to explain why, 5's, and 10's, okay? And then she said 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, and so those are count bys or skip counting, okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, okay? And she went all the way up to 24, all right? And then underneath that, because you double the 2's, she did the 4's. Because 2 times 1 is 4. 2 times 2, and look up here at this pattern, 8. 4 times 3 is 12, okay? So you double the 2's. Now, she did forget the 8. I asked her, I said, was there a reason for that? And she said, no, I just forgot it. So you could put your 8's here. What? I put 8 and a 3. You could put 8 here, and then you're just doubling your 4's. Okay, 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2, I double my 8, is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. Okay, so you can fill in this count by sheet, and this is a good practice. If you didn't stop by to get your resources, you can make one. These are your 2's. These are your 3's. She went up to 12 on all of them. 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 12 is 36. 5 times 12 is 60. 10 times 12 is 120. So again, she put 2 and then 4's underneath because they doubled. And then if you wanted to fit your 8's over here, okay, you would just double your 4's. She put 3 and she put the 6 underneath. Now, I would have put the 5's and the 10's underneath because then you could double. 7's. Let me tell you something about 9's that you might have already heard last year, but just in case you didn't. When you do your 9 facts, like 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18. The 2 digits, the 1 and the 8, 1 and 8 equals 9. 9 times 3 is 27. The 2 and the 7 equals 9. 9 times 4 is 36. The 3 plus the 6 equals 9. You see how that goes? Then also another way you can do it, 18, you have to add 1 to the 10's and take away 1 from the 1's. Add 1 to the 10's, take away 1 from the 1's. Those are just different strategies that you can use. So this is a count by chart, and you can make that yourself. Okay?